Today, we delve into the past to explore the catastrophic 2004 tsunami, its cause, manifestation, and its far-reaching consequences. This was no ordinary calamity. It was one of the most potent natural disasters in recorded history, with a magnitude that sent shockwaves across the globe. The earthquake and subsequent tsunami primarily affected Indonesia, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. However, its impact was felt as far as South Africa. Entire coastal communities were swept away, leaving a path of destruction and despair in its wake. Lives were lost, homes were destroyed, and livelihoods were shattered. The city of Banda Aceh in Sumatra was closest to the epicenter, bearing the brunt of the disaster. In the blink of an eye, over 100,000 people in this city alone were wiped off the face of the earth. This was a disaster that challenged the resilience and strength of humanity. Stay tuned as we unravel the cause behind this devastating natural disaster. The trigger behind the 2004 tsunami was a 9.1 magnitude earthquake, a result of a megathrust fault. So what exactly is a megathrust earthquake? Picture this: two of Earth's tectonic plates, massive slabs of solid rock, are pushing against each other. One plate is forced to slide beneath the other, creating a subduction zone. This process builds up enormous amounts of pressure over time. When that pressure is finally released, it results in what we call a megathrust earthquake. These are the most powerful earthquakes on our planet, with magnitudes that can exceed 9 on the Richter scale. On December 26, 2004, such an event occurred beneath the Indian Ocean. The Indo-Australian plate was forced beneath the Eurasian plate, causing a rupture over 800 miles long. In just 10 minutes, this megathrust earthquake released an immense amount of energy, equivalent to the explosion of over 15,000 nuclear bombs like the one used in Hiroshima. As the seafloor was abruptly displaced, billions of tons of water were lifted, setting the stage for the formation of the tsunami. The power behind these waves was so immense that they were not recognizable as traditional waves, instead resembling a white water river. Remember, tsunamis of this magnitude are rare, and the affected countries had no natural warning or history of tsunamis, contributing to the high death toll. The immense energy released by the earthquake triggered the destructive tsunami waves, and thus, a disaster of unimaginable scale was set in motion. Stay tuned as we delve into the devastation that ensued. The earthquake gave rise to tsunami waves, not recognizable as traditional waves, but more akin to a massive white water river. This surge of water, triggered by the colossal Megathrust earthquake, was a force of nature unlike any other. The waves formed rapidly, building up immense power as they traveled across the ocean's depths. The speed of these waves was astonishing. They crossed the vast Indian Ocean in mere hours, faster than a commercial jet. The destructive power of a tsunami lies not just in its speed, but also in its relentless energy. Tsunamis don't break like normal waves but surge forward, engulfing everything in their path. This was a wall of water, unstoppable and unyielding, carrying with it the raw power of the Earth's most potent forces. The waves reached Banda Aceh, Indonesia, closer to the epicenter within minutes. The residents had little warning, little time to comprehend what was happening, and even less time to escape. The tsunami waves, like a relentless predator, gave no quarter, leaving behind a trail of devastation that was as unfathomable as it was heartbreaking. And as the waves spread across the Indian Ocean, they carried with them the same destructive power, the same relentless surge, impacting multiple countries and causing large-scale devastation. Entire coastal communities were swept away, leaving behind a landscape that bore the scars of nature's fury. The tsunami waves, spreading rapidly across the Indian Ocean, resulted in large-scale devastation. The aftermath of the tsunami was a scene of widespread destruction and loss. The wave, more akin to a raging white water river than a traditional wave, swept away lives, homes, and livelihoods. The coastal communities of multiple countries bore the brunt of the devastation. Banda Aceh, Indonesia, being closest to the epicenter, suffered the most. Over 100,000 people perished, their lives claimed by the unforgiving sea. The same heartbreaking narrative echoed in Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, and Myanmar. The tsunami didn't discriminate. It tore through everything in its path, leaving in its wake a landscape barely recognizable. Entire areas were wiped off the map, replaced by the chilling sight of destruction. The very fabric of these societies was ripped apart, with countless individuals losing not just their homes but also their means of sustenance. Yet amidst this bleak scenario, the spirit of human resilience shone bright. Organizations like World Vision stepped up to the plate, spearheading the daunting task of recovery and rehabilitation. Their efforts were focused on empowering the affected communities, helping them regain their lost livelihoods. Education was another cornerstone of their recovery initiatives, ensuring children, the future of these countries, didn't lose out on their learning opportunities. Infrastructure development was also prioritized, rebuilding the backbone of these societies from the ground up. These recovery efforts weren't just about immediate relief, but about sustainable restoration. The focus was on fostering long-term resilience and helping these communities rewrite their futures. The efforts of World Vision and others like it have continued to make a difference, their impact echoing through the years. The 2004 tsunami left a lasting impact, but it also sparked a global wave of support and recovery initiatives. The scale of the disaster was immense, but so too was the outpouring of support. The tsunami had washed away much, but it couldn't wash away the indomitable human spirit. It's a testament to our collective strength, a reminder that even in the face of the greatest adversities, we have the power to rebuild, recover, and rise again. The 2004 tsunami was a tragic reminder of nature's power and unpredictability. We've delved into its cause, manifestation, and consequences, highlighting the immense destruction and the commendable recovery efforts. Remember, knowledge is power. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell, ensuring you stay updated on all our future content.